In this video, I'll guide you through how to make a Microsoft Forms survey anonymous. By the end, you'll know exactly how to adjust your form settings so people can respond without sharing their names or signing in, which is perfect for collecting honest, unbiased feedback. Let's start by opening your survey in Microsoft Forms. Go ahead and sign into your Microsoft account if you aren't already, then navigate to the Microsoft Forms homepage. You'll see a list of your existing forms. Click on the survey you want to make anonymous. This will open the form editor where you can see your questions and any existing responses. It's important to open the specific survey you want to change because the anonymity settings apply to each form individually, not to all your forms at once. With your survey open, look for the settings option. Depending on your screen size, this might appear as a gear icon, often near the top right corner of the page, or directly labeled as settings. Click on that. This is where Microsoft Forms controls how responses are collected, including whether respondent names are attached or sign-in is required. Inside the settings area, you'll see options related to who can fill out your form and what information is recorded. To make your survey anonymous, you want to disable any option that automatically identifies respondents. Specifically, look for anything like record name or require sign-in. If record name is turned on, Microsoft Forms will automatically capture the respondent's identity from their account. Switch this off so names are no longer collected. Next, turn off require sign-in if it is enabled. When this option is on, people must be signed in with an account from your organization to respond, and their identity may be associated with their submission. Disabling this allows anyone with the link to respond without signing in, which is essential for true anonymity. After you switch these options off, your form will stop recording personal account information like names. The responses will still be saved, but they won't be tied to specific individuals through their account details. It's a good idea to quickly review the rest of your questions to make sure you're not asking for identifying information in the content of the survey itself, such as full names, email addresses, or other details that could reveal who someone is. Even if the form settings are anonymous, asking directly for personal information in your questions would still make the responses identifiable. Once your settings are updated and you're confident the survey doesn't request personal details, you're ready to share it. Look for the share button, usually at the top right of the screen. Click it and you'll see a link to your form. Make sure the sharing option is set so that anyone with the link can respond, not just people within your organization who are signed in. Then copy the link. You can now share this link through email, chat, a website, or wherever your audience is. When people open the link, they'll be able to complete the survey without signing in and without having their names automatically recorded. Their answers will appear in your response summary in Microsoft Forms, but the individual responses will not include identifying information. That's all you need to do to make your Microsoft Forms survey anonymous. Open your survey, go into settings, turn off name recording or required sign-in, and share the form link for anonymous responses.